Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the PNC Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pnc.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PNC Bank website. Now, if you already have an account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Now, you can directly type in your credentials to log into your account, but if you don't have an account, you can click on enroll in online banking. After typing both your user ID and your account password, you will be able to click on the login button. And once you click on the login button, you will directly be logged into your account on the PNC Bank website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on PNC Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.